Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today's topic, Power BI time DAX function. Today we will look at commonly used time intelligent DAX function, which is previous month. This DAX function returns a table that contains a column of all the dates from the previous month based on the first date in the date column. For example, here we have a sales product table, and on this sales product table we have 5 columns: dates, product, quantity, cost, and total cost. On that column itself here, date column, we have 2 months, February and March. So what will happen once we apply our DAX function, which is a previous month, is gonna look on this date column. It's gonna say we got 2 months, but it wants to give us the total cost for the previous month, which is February. So we should be expecting to see only the total cost of February, which is highlighted with yellow. Let's see how this DAX function is applicable on a Power BI environment. So as usual, the first thing we do, we create a measure, a new measure. And we give our measure the name. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. And we're just going to give it the name of the function which we are using today, which is previous month. So we have applied a previous month function here, and so we can see on March, our previous month, it was February, and what we have sold on February was 10,620. So that's how we use a previous month function. So what I'll do, I'll go through it again just to make it easier for you to understand. So what we did to change the nature of the DAX calculation, so we apply the calculate. Then what we wanted to do first of all is to sum all the total cost on that column. So we sum everything. Then we apply the previous month function. However, we are also looking on based on the column date, which is a calendar. So I'm using the calendar which is attached to the date on the sales table. So once you do that, you close your bracket, you commit it, and that is a previous month calculation. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.